Well, hello. Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's having a good day. Uh, been a long one for me already. I'm ready to end it, and I'm going to be there. It's Friday the 20th at 1:40 p.m. Yeah, get to go to sleep and wake up and go do the Evil W. Yay! Yeah, had to go get something notarized today. Fun stuff. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I've been trying to sort through papers. I've got a pile of I need to make copies of. I got a pile of I can leave them here, and I got a pile of I'm not sure, and maybe I do need copies, but I don't know. Then I've got a pile of ones that have already I made copies already and got what I need. Why is there so much paperwork in the world? Wasn't that what computers were supposed to take care of? Be a paperless world. No more receipts. It'd all be electronic. Yeah. But still, they want physical copies of this, that, or the other, or digital at least. Uh, but hey, you have to have it as printed so that you can scan it in so that you can send it. They're getting better about making them where you can fill them out online. If you have all that, I don't know. But now they want to charge you an arm and a leg for having a word processor. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Shoulders are sore. I don't think I packed. I don't think I got that much done. Yeah, it is what it is. But that's okay. I did get more stuff out, and that's important. And I'm set up to take the laundry to the laundromat in the morning, which is good. Didn't get there this morning. And it looks like it's going to be a smaller load. So, yay, or less loads. I'm going to be throwing a bunch of it in the trash can because I don't need it. Old washcloths. I don't need it. Old t-shirts. Out the door they go. Even the ones that my white shirts. Got a couple of those. I don't think I'm going to wash them. Probably just going to throw them in the trash can because I don't need that many. I'm down to having a couple weeks worth of laundry or clothes available for work. So, yeah, I can do this. It's fun. Anyway, yeah, it's time for me to go to sleep. I'm at that point of the day. Uh, Phone was fairly quiet today. Got to start making sure I check the text messages and such more often on my phone. Why are more people using text messages than making phone calls? I just don't. I don't know. I'm old. I like hearing people's voices when I do have to talk to them. It's kind of a more civilized thing, if you ask me. I don't know, but it is what it is, and they seem to be wanting to get in touch with people by text instead of actually talking. Makes me wonder what's going to happen in the world 50 years from now. Will anybody remember how to talk? I don't know. I really don't know. It's just, yeah. It's one of those things. If you don't use it, you lose it. So, yeah, if we're not talking because we're texting, and I've seen some of the texts that people put out. Don't get me wrong, I'm not good at spelling. Dyslexia really makes that fun to do. But it is what it is. And spelling was never my strong suit. But I usually get the words right. Sometimes I have to depend on spell check, but you know, it's one of the advantages of having a computer. It can check it for you. But some of the ones they'd go and do is, yeah, I don't know. They make little acronyms or whatever you want to call them nowadays. And I don't know. I, these new languages, damn near, it's sure not written. Well, it is, but is it really? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in the can, get me to bed, and yeah, do what I got to do for the three ring circus. Keep the job going. Anyway, I'm Williams Philippines. Hit the like, comment, subscribe. Do your thing. Make the choice for yourself because it is about you. You get to choose. Of course, you get to suffer the consequence too, but that's a whole nother critter. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. I hope you have a real good weekend. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Oh, yeah, and a lot more food. Anyway, later blessings. Bye bye. Fish out.